Hello and welcome back to AI in Tech. In the last video, we explained what is AI, but how does it exactly work? Let's break it down together. First of all, what is AI? I recommend watching my previous video to fully grasp this one. But here is a simplification. AI is about creating algorithms, sets of commands that must be followed for a computer to perform calculations or other problem-solving operations. These algorithms enable machines to perform tasks that usually require a medium to high level of human intelligence, depending on the type of AI being used. There are different types of AI, but the two main categories are narrow AI and general AI. Main types of AI, narrow AI, also known as weak AI, as we said before, is designed for specific tasks. Examples of narrow AI range from facial recognition, chatbots, and recommendation systems. General AI, aka strong AI, aims to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. Examples of general AI range from robotics, autonomous vehicles, and also some advanced chatbots like ChatGPT. Machine learning is a subset of AI where machines learn from data provided by many sources. Imagine teaching a toddler to recognize dogs by showing them loads of pictures